Today we'll be making a Mexican beef and shell soup known as Sopa de Conchitas con Carne. This budget-friendly meal was my go-to comfort food as a child, and I'm excited to share it with you today. You'll need a bag of small shells, which cost me only 52 cents for the bag. 1 pound of ground beef. Peel and dice 2 potatoes into small cubes. I like adding potatoes for a little more substance, but you can definitely eliminate them if you want. To cut them into cubes, first cut them into slices, then take 2 slices at a time. Slice them into thirds, then cut them into small cubes like this. These 2 potatoes gave me almost 2.5 cups. Next, let's prepare the flavorful tomato base. We'll cut 3 Roma tomatoes and add them to a blender, along with 2 large garlic cloves, or 3 if they're small. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, 1 cup of water, and 1 small can of tomato sauce. Blend until smooth and set aside for now. Moving on to the stove, in a large pan, we want to start browning our 1 pound of ground beef. If your beef is lean, add a little bit of oil. If it's not, use the fat to your advantage for the next step. While the beef is still slightly pink, add the diced potatoes since they do take a little longer to cook. We want to continue browning for about 4 to 5 minutes. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. You can also help by liking, sharing, and commenting below to help my channel get exposed to more people. I'm also trying to get to 100K subscribers, so if you can help me out, I'd greatly appreciate it. After about 4 minutes, add half of a chopped onion, saute for an additional minute, then drain any excess fat and set the mixture aside temporarily. In another pan, you want to heat about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add your shells. We're going to be toasting these shells until they turn a golden brown color. Just wanted to mention, when you buy your shells, make sure that they're the small ones. Don't buy the medium-sized ones. I have tried cooking them with the medium-sized shells, and for some reason, they just don't turn out the same. As you can see here, these have turned into a nice golden color, which is exactly what we want. Once golden, you want to add your shells to your other pan. Now let's season with salt and pepper, and this is to your taste. If you're interested in my salt shakers and any other products I use, you can find links in the description below. For added flavor, you can include 3 slices of jalapeno peppers or more if you like it spicy. Pour in the blended sauce mixture, then add 4 cups of water. And add about 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Turn your heat up so it comes to a simmer, then cover your pan and let it cook for 25 minutes on low heat. It's been 25 minutes, let's take a look. We want to ensure the potatoes are fork tender. These are perfect. Now your sopa de conchitas con carne is ready to be served. I like to enjoy mine by dipping a flour tortilla in the flavorful broth, savoring the comforting flavors that remind me of my childhood. I hope you enjoyed my budget-friendly recipe and give it a try. It's so good and comforting. Thanks for watching. See you soon. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.